Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own portfolio and you can deploy it and you can share with your clients so you can get the work. So if you are a developer, you must have a website your own that's showing how many experience you have, which technology you know, and how many projects you have completed. And if you show using the portfolio website, then its impact, okay, and you will have a get more chance to get the work. So in this video we are going to create a portfolio website for you using the AI, and we are going to use the cloud AI to generate that, and we are push to the production. So let me go here, and here is the cloud AI website, and here is the, you just need to log in, and it's free for using, okay. And if you want to paid plan, they also have a paid plan, but you can also register as a free, so you don't have to pay. And make sure in your system that's install cloud AI, so you can download from here like Mac OS for Windows, okay. So let me go to my terminal, and if I just type cloud, okay, and if I click on it, you can see that something like that will appear. If you have login first time, then it will be redirect to the browser, and you just need to give the permission from your account. That's it, okay. So let me just close this and let me clear it as well. So first of all, I'm going to create a new folder that's called my portfolio, mkdir, okay, my portfolio, okay, and just hit enter, and let me go to that folder as well, my portfolio, okay, and let me clear, and let's open this into VS Code editor. So you can see that just I have opened that project to my VS Code editor. Yes, trust it. And you can see that there is a project like my portfolio is empty. Now let me go to the extension, and there is one extension you need to install is cloud AI. So let me go here, and you can see that here is the extension. So I already have installed the extension, so that's why I don't have to require again. So you can see that I already installed, so that's why it's called uninstall. After install, what you need to do, just you will have a sign this, and you can click on it, and let me close this, okay. So you can see that it automatically get, and you will have a command prompt input over here, okay. Here you can write the prompt, okay. So let me go, and I already created a prompt for how to create a portfolio website. So let me go to my note, and you can see that I have created a prompt, and I will share with you in GitHub repository as well. So you can see that create a professional portfolio website for Hardik Savani. So you can change your name, and who is I am a PHP Laravel developer with 15 years, so I'm just making to 10 years, okay. Like it says 10 years experience, and like if you are a Python developer, you can change over here call Python developer. If you are a React.js developer, you can see React.js developer. So entire prompt I have written. So you can see that my name and what is the title, senior PHP developer, and I have a 10+ year experience. And then you can see that we are going to set up our own profile picture. So you can see that inside images, so let me go here, and here I'm going to create new folder that's called images, and then profile.png, that file my image I'm going to put. So let me go here, and you can see that here is my profile image. Just copy that, go to www, okay, and inside video I have already created my portfolio website, and inside images I'm going to put my profile picture over here, and just rename that, and that's called profile.png, okay. You can put your own picture over there, so that way inside your portfolio that picture will be available. Same way you need to define which technology you are expert for: front end Angular, React, database MySQL, and for cloud services you are expert in AWS. And here also I have defined my social profile, so you can see that X, LinkedIn, and my blog ItSolutionStuff.com. So you can see that there is a ready-made prompt that I have created. Just copy that prompt, okay, and let me just copy this, and let me go to VS Code editor, and here we just need to write that prompt. Just paste it, okay, and just hit enter, and it is going to automatically create our portfolio website. So let's wait a moment. And now you can see that our AI website is created. You can see that they have automatically created index.html and script style css, and they also write the contact handler with the php, but we are not going to use for now, but they have just created. So you can see, and let's see the preview. So let me go here and let's run the index.html. so you can see that that's awesome website. You can see over here, this is my portfolio website, and you can see that there is a Hardik Savani, and here you can see that they have also added the favicon and also added hire me, view portfolio, download cv, and yeah. And let me go here, and they have also automatically written about me. They have done the 15 experience, but maybe you can change it to 10. And you can see that they have also written like how many projects I have completed. Maybe you can make it correct as well if you like. If you don't have a 50 plus kind of clients, you can make it 10, 12, whatever clients you have completed. And you can see that there is a skill technology. I am expert in php, laravel, mysql, angular, react, and javascript. So, and then you can see that I am also expert in aws, docker, and git. So that's correct. And you can see that they have already written my experience timeline. Maybe you can correct that timeline, like when you start and what other companies you have experienced, so you can change it as well from that html. And this is services I am offer, like I'm a laravel developer, full stack development, aws development management as well I can do. And let me go down and feature portfolio, like how many website I have completed. Right now I'm not going to brief on that, just keep as it is. And you can see over here is my latest blog. They have already fetched from the my website ItSolutionStuff.com. maybe you can write your own 2-3 blogs and you can deploy over here, so that way it will be impact. And also they have added client testimonials over here, like if you have a old client and they have given you the feedback, you can write down over here as well. And let me go at the end. You can see that your email and your time availability and all the things you can share, and also Twitter and LinkedIn profile as well. And same thing, you can also, they can contact you, and they have created php file, but you can do with your own language if you want. So this is very basic portfolio. You can change your own, but we are keep as it is right now, okay? And we are going to publish this website to GitHub, and then you can share with your any client or anywhere. So just let me go to the GitHub, okay? And just you need to click on new, and here you just need to write your portfolio name. So I will just keep my portfolio, okay, like this. And description, I'm not going to do anything, just make sure you have to this public, okay, and click on create repository, okay. And now you can see that they have already provided a list of command if you already have a project. So I'm going to just run this git init. Let me go to my terminal, and here I'm going to just say git init. So initialize the git folder on our my portfolio folder. So let me go here, and then you can see that I need to just define the main branch. So I'm going to just copy that, paste it over here, and then I'm going to add the origin. So just I'm going to do like this, okay. And then you can see that I'm going to add git add git commit, and I will just call like first commit or initialize commit or something like that you can give. And then git push origin main, something like that. And just wait to upload our project to the main GitHub. So let me go back to Chrome and just hit refresh. You can see that our project is up and over here into the GitHub. So you can see that, okay. Now what you need to do, just go to the setting, and then you just need to go to the pages, and here you need to check, you have to choose your branch. So I'm going to just choose main branch, okay. And then you can see that here you just need to deploy from branch, and just click on save. It is going to publish your website so you can share with your client, okay. So let me go, and how can you access this? So let me show you. Let me go to the new tab, and you can see that what I have to write in my URL is sawanihd.github.io, and my portfolio, that means my repository name, whatever you can keep your repository name, like if you want to take like Hardik Savani, or maybe you want to say like just portfolio. And now let me go and just hit enter, and boom, my website is there, and you can see that senior PHP developer, and you can see all the things that we have in our local. Yeah, if I click on experience, if I click on services, if I click on portfolio, everything is working perfectly fine. Now what you need to do, just copy and share with your client directly, so they can view your entire profile, and that will be impact like he knows GitHub and everything, and like how many experience you have and all the things. So this was very basic and simple tutorial, like how you can create your own portfolio as a developer, because this is most required for you, so that way you can share with your clients. If you like this video, share with your friends so they can create your own portfolio. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.